Hello everyone.
The African National Congress veteran Johnny Yengeni is set to represent former President Jacob Zuma in the ANC's disciplinary hearing against him. The former president believes that Commander Johnny Yengeni is well placed as assistant commander of Umkhonto weSizwe to represent him in the kangaroo court convened against him by the sellout of the ANC of Ramaphosa, Yengeni, and Groenewald. The media statement reads as follows. Umkhonto weSizwe Party confirms that the disciplinary hearing of President Jacob Zuma in his capacity as a member of the Real African National Congress will sit tomorrow, 17 July 2024. The ANC Disciplinary Committee has not yet responded to a request made by President Zuma's lawyers that the hearing should take place at a physical venue and in person as previously agreed between the parties per the relevant provisions of the ANC's constitution. We should further reflect on the fact that same DC representatives had previously confirmed President Zuma's attendance at Lutuli House for the Kangaroo Court to be attended in person, but suddenly decided to postpone the in-person hearing amid a pre-election climate because of so-called fictitious security fears expressed by the ANC of Ramaphosa to be held at the venue decided by them. According to Rule 25 of the ANC Constitution, President Zuma is entitled to be represented by any fellow member of the ANC if he so chooses. In this regard, and in line with these provisions, President Zuma will be represented by a long-standing struggle veteran, former ANC-NEC member and commander of Umkhonto weSizwe, Comrade Johnny Yengeni. President Zuma believes that Commander Johnny Yengeni is well placed as assistant commander of Umkhonto weSizwe Party to represent him in the kangaroo court convened against him by the sellout ANC of Ramaphosa, Yengeni, and Groenewald. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.